Hi everyone, and welcome to the Introduction to C# in Unity series. So let's talk about the else block in this tutorial. Previously we went over if conditional statements, and if you remember that we use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specified condition within the parenthesis evaluates to true. Now we use else to specify a block of code which is to be executed if the condition specified inside the parenthesis, inside the if block is false. So this is the syntax of an else block. And in my Unity editor, I have my block, my cube, and my cube controller script is attached to my cube. Okay. Now, previously we had used the if conditional statement to check if the value of the health variable, which is of the integer data type, is greater than 3. If so, we logged to the console we are in the safe zone. Now what if it is not greater than 3? Let's say that health is equal to 1. So because health is greater than 3 will evaluate to false, because 1 greater than 3 is not true, this debug.log statement will not execute. So we can use an else block. So we structure an else block like so, and let's just put it on another line. Okay, so we can structure an else block which will execute if the condition inside the if block or the if conditional statement is false. So let's say we want to log to the console you are in the red zone, or let's say you are in the danger zone, and then finish off with a semicolon. So if the if conditional statement, or if the if condition is false, which it is, then the block of code inside the parenthesis of the else block will execute. And let's take a look at this. So clicking on play, you can see that you are in the danger zone was logged to the console. And this is because when the if condition is false, then the block inside the else, the code inside the else block will execute. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you found this useful.